Hi YouTube, it's Agni_99 again. Today we are going to do an engine oil and oil filter change on the Kawasaki VN900B Classic. It is highly recommended that you warm up your bike so that the engine oil is warm and helps to drain better. What we will be needing for the oil change, it will be a 17mm ratchet and a 10mm ratchet. Of course, a drain pan to drain off your oil. Now, with a 17mm ratchet, you need to unplug the oil drain plug at the bottom in order to drain off the engine oil. It is always recommended to open the oil filler cap before this to allow free flow of the engine oil, or for the engine oil to flow out with much more ease. Now, using a 10mm ratchet, we shall now open up the cover in order to access the oil filter. Now, having removed the cover, we will now remove the rectifier. And finally the bracket before we can actually access the oil filter. And now to remove the oil filter itself. Now, after the oil has drained, we'll put back the drain plug. We will be now inserting the oil filter. We're using the Kawasaki's original oil filter. Before we do that, there's a necessity to pour a little bit of engine oil into the filter, since there's not, the oils from the sump has not circulated. So this will be a very good practice to adopt. Having tightened the oil filter, we will now start to assemble back the bracket in the reverse order as we started opening it up. And now the rectifier. And finally the rectifier guard cover. We shall now proceed to pour the engine oil into the oil filler. Using a funnel, we will now pour in about 3 liters of engine oil. For the information of viewers, the manual actually states that in the event that you're actually changing the oil filter as well, you will need something like 3.2 liters of engine oil. If you're not changing the oil filter, then you will only be needing 3 liters of engine oil. Yep, so once the engine oil has been filled, do not forget to tighten up the oil filler with its cap. Right, that wraps up the video for today. Please thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.